The Menopause Wellness Practitioner course is a Gateway Workshop's online course designed to fit around your current lifestyle needs. It's a must for therapists looking to add to their knowledge, but also for complete beginners looking to start their career in this fascinating field. This course is created to develop your knowledge of menopause wellness so you can understand it better and use this awareness to enhance and empower the well-being of yourself, a family member, your clients, or others who will suffer it. In this course, you will learn about the endocrine system, its connection to sex steroid hormones, and how their relationship is far from independent. The course sets out to break some menopause myths, offer solutions to the symptoms, and explore traditional and alternative approaches. We look at different ways of menopause management, drawing on scientific evidence and the latest theories on HRT. By the end of this course, you will have a much fuller understanding of why menopause causes the symptoms that it does and how you can implement a program of healing that suits you as an individual. This course also takes you beyond the menopause journey, as well as providing a Meno Wellness Pack so you can hone down on how menopause affects you or your clients. Lastly, it includes wellness practitioners with information on how to incorporate their new knowledge to their wellness practices. Once you have completed the course, you will receive a professionally accredited and approved certificate, allowing you to use this, your newfound knowledge, with a general public and charge. Join the thousands of students who have trained with an award-winning school, boasting a proven track record, extremely high standards, and expert tutors. We offer massage, beauty, and spiritual courses at our venues across London and the rest of the UK, including Scotland and Ireland. And we also offer many online courses too. Gateway Workshops, the gateway to your potential.